direction and functions. This lesson will show how we can make the character always face towards the mouse. Click on our character object and add a step event. A step event is constantly executed all the time. That means we don't need to hold any button for it to trigger. This is very useful here to make the character always face the correct direction. Like we have X and Y, we also have image angle. It decides the direction of the sprite. Assign it to a number between 0 and 360 degrees. Let's try with 120 to see what happens. When we run the game, we can see our character faces upwards and slightly to the left. In GameMaker, 0 degrees are straight to the right and increases counterclockwise. This means 90 degrees are upwards, 180 degrees to the left and 270 degrees downwards. Now we just need to calculate the degrees between our character and the mouse. Luckily, GameMaker helps us with that. GameMaker provides a lot of convenience functions to make it easy for us. We're going to use the one called point direction. A function is recognized by its ending parenthesis. This is how we can see they are different from X, Y or image angle, which are not functions. GameMaker has a page with all the different functions and what they do. I'll link it in the resources for you to find it. On the page you can see that we must use 4 inputs within the parentheses: x1, y1, x2 and y2. The first two are our character's x and y coordinate. The last two are the x and y for the mouse. In the code we can therefore write x, y for our character's position, then we write mouse x, mouse y for our mouse position. Let's try it out. We can see the character constantly faces towards the mouse. However, he turns a bit awkwardly. That's because our sprite isn't centered. Let's go back and open our character sprite. Clicking on the image changes the sprite center, also called origin. Choose the drop down for origin and press middle center. This looks much better. Now we have control of our movement. Next lesson will show how to make the character shoot.